Hello friends, this is Krishna. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I will tell you an interesting command that is available in your Excel and how to activate that and the use of that. So let's go to my Excel screen. So today I will tell you a fact about Excel, that is like us, Excel can also speak. So we will make a Excel speak today. So let's start. So for that you need to activate one command that is available in your Excel. For that, go to video, go to this file tab, click on it. Then in the button there is options, click on that option. Then here you can select this customized ribbon. Under this customized ribbon you can see this drop down box. Click on this. You can find commands that are not in the ribbon. Select that, and under this you will find that speak option. You can search S here so that it will take you to that speak option somewhere here, I guess. Hey, yes, it's here only, speak sales and all. So for that you need to create a group under any of your home tab. So I have created here one speak. Then I will select that, and under that I will add all these options. Select speak sales, add speak sales stop speaking command, speak sales by columns, speak sales by rows, speak sales on enter. So we have added all these speaking commands over here. Then we will click on OK. Now our Excel is updated. You can go to your home tab and see if it is available here or not. You can see here speak sales and stop speaking. It is already activated here. So now we will write something and we will check if it's working or not. So I'll write hello friends, if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, that is Excel Yoga by Krishna. Okay, so now we will select this cell, that is B2. Then we will go to home tab and click on this fix cells. It will read this line obviously. So let's see if it's works or not. I clicked on fix cells. Let's see.
Hello friends, if you like this video then make sure you subscribe to my channel Excel Yoga by Krishna.
See, I think it spoke very clearly. I hope you heard what he said. So you are going to subscribe to my Excel channel if you like this video. So guys, for this video, this is I think you got a clear idea how to activate this command in your Excel. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.